Video tutorial to explain how to use drama activities in the lesson plan. In this video, it's going to be explained how the drama activities are integrated into a drama-based lesson. Target audience and context is B1 level, class size is 20 to 30, class length is 30 minutes, and the topic is friendships. Warm-up. Guiding the blind. One person has their eyes closed and her or his palm is laid out on another person's palm. That person is the leader, carefully guiding their partner through space. And the exercise can be performed with music. Activity 1. Watching the video. The students receive a handout with the plot of Cars to familiarize themselves with the topic. The teacher tells students they are going to watch a video. The title of the video is Pixar Cars Lightning McQueen Helps the King. Activity 2. Discussion. The students are divided in groups of 3. They are given 3 quotations from Cars. I think the king should finish his last race. The king. You just gave out the piston cup. You know that? Lightning McQueen. Ah, this grumpy old race car I know once told me something. It's just an empty cup. There's more to life than winning. They have 5 to 7 minutes on the chosen issue. The participants discuss these and enlarge upon the given topic and give examples from real life. They write down a few ideas. Activity 3. Presenting the ideas. After the time is up, the students get ready to present their ideas to the class. They get in front of the class and show them their conclusions. Closure. Tunnel of thoughts. Teacher asks students to stand in 2 rows, one opposite another, and make a tunnel. A student, who plays the role of Lightning McQueen, who has to decide whether to help block or win the race, goes through the tunnel. Each student should come up with their own message or advice for him. The moment the character walks past him, he or she speaks her and his message aloud.